What's the meaning of annexe? Annexe. 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 Annexe.
Annexe refers to a building or room that is attached to or located near a larger main building and used for a specific purpose. It can also refer to an addition or extension to an existing building. The purpose of an annexe can vary widely, ranging from providing extra living or office space to serving as a storage area or workshop. Often, an annexe is designed to be self-contained with its own entrance, bathroom, and kitchen facilities. Whether used for residential or commercial purposes, an annexe can be a convenient and practical solution to expanding usable space within an existing property.